Hello and welcome to Maximity's next 2-Minute Tuesday. My name is Bronya and this week, what's Power BI? Power BI is an interactive data visualization program. To get it on your PC or laptop, go to the Microsoft Store and download Power BI Desktop. Power BI can take data from many different sources like Excel spreadsheets or even from websites. If you don't have any data, it's tricky to get started. So to help you, I've provided data for you on the Maximity website. And even better, you don't actually need to download it. Go to maximity.co.uk/DLC and right-click on Example Data for Power BI. Then select Copy Address. Open up Power BI and select Get Data in the Home ribbon and then choose Web. Paste the URL into the URL box and click OK. This will import the data from that file and you can now see the information in the navigator. These are sheets, these are tables. I'm going to select the tables and click Load. Now my data is in the data pane on the right, I can start building my visualizations. Click on a visualization to insert an unpopulated visual, and then you can click on the tick box next to any fields, or drag them into the visualization to populate it. Have a play around with different types of visualizations and what they show. You can make formatting changes by selecting a visualization and clicking here. You can also go to the View ribbon and apply themes to change the look of the whole report. Finally, for this short video, most parts of a visualization act as slices. You can click on pie segments, items in a list or a table, and all the other visualizations will filter. That's it for this week's 2-Minute Tuesday. Have a go for yourself and see how easy Power BI really is. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything you'd like me to cover in a future video. Thank you for watching.